in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you. It's to the point why I love and I hate you, and I cannot change you, so I must replace you.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Austin, finally back with another YouTube video. Yes, I know I've been gone for, I don't know, maybe about a year. I don't know. I haven't posted on my own page in a while, but I have been posting on our family page. If you haven't seen it, go ahead and follow the Hines family. But we are going to be back on my YouTube page for good now. I'm about to start doing a whole bunch more videos on here. About to get way more active. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe. Turn on my notifications because it's about to get lit. We about to drop some bangers, you know what I'm saying? So right now we are going to be going to pick up our cousins and we are going to do the dare challenge. We have like a little spin the wheel thing and we're gonna be doing like a dare. Dang, girl, you couldn't stay in the bathroom and brush your teeth? No. But yeah, we're gonna go pick them up and we're gonna vlog while we're doing it. But yeah, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and also follow the Discord so you guys can text us outside of YouTube and TikTok. Appreciate it.
Meanwhile, at the Krusty Krab.
Alright, so what's up, YouTube? Your boy is back. I finally got everybody. As you guys can see, there's like about 10 of us here, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, so everybody's gonna go through and they're gonna introduce themselves and say something. So we're gonna start over here. Go, what's your name?
My name is Chris and I'm black.
You're black?
Yes.
Anyway.
I'm Hillary, I'm an artist.
You're a what?
Artist.
What's your name?
Hillary.
And I'm a track star.
Xavier and Coach Green.
My name's Cameron and I'm a Sagittarius.
What? We could not understand.
My name is Cameron and I'm a Sagittarius.
That's Funky Bro. AKA Funky Bro.
Why he do her like that? Anyway, and y'all know this one. Just cheesing all over the camera. Alright, so right now, Hillary is erasing all the dares. We're about to go ahead and add some more on there, and then we're gonna start the challenge.
Much later.
Alright, finally, we sat here and tried to create every dare possible that we could think of that was good. We finally did it. I'm gonna have Kennedy read it off, okay? Cool.
Drink lemon juice. Do 10 push-ups. Eat a dog treat. Get slapped by the person next to you. Hold a dog for 10 seconds.
I ain't holding no dog for 10 seconds.
Yes, you are.
Stand like a crab for 10 seconds. I mean, 3 spins. Big gibberish. Skip. Oh my god. Spin again. Blindfolded for 3 spins. I'm not reading that. That's too long.
You got the lazy.
Alright, so we're gonna start. I'm gonna go first since they're scary.
Come on, bro.
Oh, you're not scared? You want? She's not scared.
It's gonna go this way.
Spin it good.
Do 10 push-ups.
10 push-ups.
That's easy.
That's easy.
Yeah. I can't do push-ups anymore. 1, 2, 4,
Are you even doing them?
4, 10, 5, 11,
Okay.
6,
No.
7,
All right, we're on 7. Oh gosh.
9.
One more. Get out.
Hey. Could you do it?
Yeah.
No, you can't.
Got him!
Alright, my turn to spin. I'm stopping it.
I'm sorry. Eat dog food.
Spin again. Alright, your turn. I didn't do nothing.
Eat dog food.
Call your mom and sing happy birthday. Up, grandma.
No, she's gonna call our grandmother and sing happy birthday. Shh.
This is Felicia.
That's a big slapper.
You need to leave.
Can you call back later? Of course. The one time we need her to answer.
I ain't gotta do it.
No, I'm gonna call somebody else.
Well, I feel breath smell like that.
You can call Shar.
Maybe she fell asleep.
Stop.
Well, looks like I'm not doing it.
How's she supposed to answer it?
Get slapped. Oh my god! I never did it for this.
Alright, before you do it, let me pick up the camera. So, you gotta slap her.
Why you turn red already?
Bro, come on, quit being the spirit cat.
She's not
Ready?
This my shit. All the girls stomp your feet like this.
Jeez.
I know that's not.
Did that hurt?
It's raining. I'm good.
Alright, spin it. Eat a dog treat.
Can I get half of one so we can?
No. It's empty.
We got other dog treats.
Get one of the ones that make you sleepy.
No, what? It says don't feed to humans.
Are you serious?
No, I'm serious.
That's dog food, not a dog treat. Here, let me take a dog treat. A dog
You stupid.
treat. I trust you. I tasted one. We should have got peanut butter treats or something.
I'm allergic.
Alright, so he's gonna eat this. It's not that big, but you know. Let's see.
What is that?
Wait, do I gotta swallow it?
Yes.
Wow.
What do you think you're gonna do? Just put it in your mouth?
Chew it and chew it at least.
Can you get some water?
Yeah.
This stuff long, you be alright.
3, 2, 1.
It smells good, don't it?
You want to eat one, don't you? You are you gonna do it?
That breath gonna be
Hey, I got gum in my
funky.
backpack, alright?
That breath is gonna be
Do it.
funky.
Ugh.
Chew it.
Your breath gonna be like Camry's.
Is it? How you feeling?
He's concentrating.
You have to chew it. You have to chew it.
I have to?
Oh, you just gonna swallow it?
Yeah.
Oh.
I might got some spit to flow through, you know? I'm scared, I ain't gonna lie. Uh-oh.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you crying? Yo, I want to get that one. This one is okay.
No, I got it.
No, spin again, bro.
Spin again, that's right.
Call your mama straight.
Now you gotta eat a dog treat.
Alright.
See, you could just call me mom.
No, I don't want Trey touching my tree.
Oh, welcome to get another work record.
Trey, ooh, just bring the box in here.
So it's calling.
Who's Gabby? Oh, this one you said it was pregnant.
No, nobody's.
I ain't gonna lie. Hey, can I get a water bottle?
No, did he?
Right, just swallow like he did.
Or just chew it?
Hey, you gonna get faster.
Crunch.
You chilling?
We'll be back after this break. Now calling your mom didn't seem so bad, huh?
It just tastes funky.
Everything does. Did you clean up the water?
Yeah.
Alright, go Trey. That's his favorite word.
Alright, everything is funky.
Hold it to the camera. Hold it to the camera. Oh my gosh. Says,
Hiss like a cat when someone talks
hey Trey.
to you. Alright, every time someone talks to you, you have to hiss like a cat.
Stop Trey.
For 3 spins.
Hey, Trey. Trey.
I can't.
Y'all buddy.
You gotta do it. You can't talk.
Just put it in your mouth. What's up, Trey?
What's up, dog? Or cat?
You still gotta. I can't
What you
hear
doing,
you.
Trey?
I can't hear you.
What? I can't hear you.
Your breath is funky.
Why you cover your face every time? Be proud. No.
No. You saying words. You can't say words.
Every time you say a word, you gotta hiss. Hey. Add the pause too. I'm scared. I gotta skip.
Really?
What?
That's
Oh, you want to spin again?
Yeah.
No, you gotta skip.
No, if she wants to spin
Didn't you spin again? A dog treat?
I didn't think it was gonna be
I
that.
got another skip, bro. I'm sick of this.
Oh, well. It's
Be
meant
happy
to be.
with it.
Alright.
You know how like bad things are good and good things are bad.
Call your mom and sing happy Alright, she called me back, so. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nana. Happy birthday to you. Well, I mean, you do have your saturation all the way up.
You are on Google Doodle.
You said what? Alright, bye now. Happy birthday!
No, it's oh.
I can't see it.
Oh God, I'm not even know tree.
Skip.
Wow.
No way.
No, you already skipped.
Stand like a crab.
Stand behind your seat like a crab for 3 spins.
I know that's when the star hurting.
Money! Money!
See pitch. Yes. You don't have to stand on your tippy toes.
Damn, my thigh still hurts.
Put your arms up.
Please be some gum.
Eat a dog treat.
Oh.
Alright.
She said, alright.
And you gotta chew it.
No, you can't drink that.
Why? It's all hither.
She went right in.
It's all hither. I promise you.
You eat those chips with those chips.
That good breath on me.
How'd it taste?
See, her breath used to it.
You can do something different. You got to.
She look like she eat those with snacks.
Ooh, yeah.
No, you sit down.
I know.
No.
We didn't get no drink. Oh, no. We ain't get
You
no drink.
definitely got water. You definitely.
No. Oh.
No.
It wasn't bad at first, but then after taste nasty.
Right.
I mean, yeah, after you swallow, you can take some of the drink, obviously.
Okay.
I mean, but you didn't really have anything to say.
If I get a dog,
Do 10 push-ups.
oh, that ain't nothing. No, 30.
Oh, yeah, 30.
30 for
That's
boys.
you.
6 or 20.
All right.
No, it's not for guys, it's for you.
Oh, wow.
Why? You're the strongest.
No, I can't do push-ups.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
1,
What's up, Trey?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You're supposed to make your arms straight, but I'm gonna let you pass.
She didn't.
She was struggling. There's a difference.
Leave me alone.
Y'all ain't see me struggling?
Hey, Trey.
Come on, please. I forgot to do that.
You got one more spin, and then you're good.
Okay.
Oh God, I'm not eating that again. I'm not my soul. I promise.
These stairs.
Oh, hits like a cat for 3 times? What's up, Chris?
Hey, what's up, dog? How you doing?
I can't hear you.
Chris, do this.
Alright, chill, man.
Y'all didn't break
Oh.
whole dog for 10 seconds. 10 seconds.
You didn't even put 10.
Yeah, it's just behind the thing in the middle. You gotta do it.
You got it?
He gonna go to sleep anyway, so.
You got to.
You've been holding him in.
Cause I was gonna get the same
Give him
thing.
that. No, give him that. It's not that bad. You're gonna be okay. You're gonna be
You've
fine.
been holding him. You said right.
He's gonna be fine. Tell him. Y'all tell him he's gonna be fine.
Hey, man. You're gonna be fine. Just do it. It's just a dog.
Sorry.
Just put it on for 10 seconds.
Sorry. You was just holding him.
Exactly.
Hold your hands up.
Just lay it on him then.
Right.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, he got dandruff, don't he?
Look at that.
No.
Now, how hard was that?
Oh my God.
What are you scared of? He wants to try the dog treat just to try it.
He
Girl, you just want to be
He go.
nasty.
All right, here you go.
You better chew it too.
Hey, chew with a straight face. Straight face.
Mmm, delicious.
I want a straight face the whole time.
You're smiling too much.
Ooh, your eyebrows going up. Is it disgusting? Is it flavorful?
Is it good?
Taste all the flavors.
Is it good? It looks delicious.
Whoa. My tongue.
My stomach hurt.
Is it good?
Swallow it.
Say I. Oh.
You taste like a cherry.
What does it taste? I caught that. I caught that on the camera. Yes, I did. All right, so what should they comment down below?
So many challenges.
Who's the funniest?
Comment down below.
What, girl?
Comment down below some things that we should do.
She said, below. Make sure you guys go ahead and give this video a like, subscribe to the channel. We're about to be lit on here. This might be the new group, you know what I'm saying? You know, I feel like we got something really going on for us right now. Everybody's socials will be down below, so make sure you guys follow them as well. And yeah, we're gonna catch y'all next time, right?
Bye.
She said, well, one more time. She said,